Hello again, my reading friends! Welcome to Rapunzel's Reading Corner. For today, I am going to read to you a story about a family of bunnies or rabbits. The title is Nicky and the Rainy Day by Valerie Gorbachev. Are you ready? All right, let's do this. Mother, said Nathan, I am bored. Yeah, we can go outside. There's nothing to do. Why don't you read a book or play cards while I fix lunch? Said Mother Rabbit. I have a better idea, said Nicky. We can go to the desert. The desert is sunny and bright with beautiful yellow sand, and it never rains there. No, said Mother Rabbit. That's impossible. Why not? Asked Nathan. It's a great idea. But it's so hot in the desert, said Nora. There's nothing to drink there, and we could get lost. Then we'll go to the mountains, said Nicky. The mountains are very big with beautiful blue cliffs. Yes. Do you think it's a better idea? No, said Mother Rabbit. That's impossible. Why not? Asked Nathan. It's a great idea. But there are landslides in the mountains, and mountain lions too, and we could get lost. Then we'll go to the jungle, said Nicky. The jungle is leafy and green and very beautiful. Yes, he is right. No, said Mother Rabbit. That's impossible. Why not? Asked Nathan. It's a great idea. But there are lots of wild animals in the jungle, and snakes too, and we could get lost. Then we'll go to the South Pole, said Nicky. The South Pole has lots of beautiful white snow. Yeah, it'll be fun, huh? No, said Mother Rabbit. That's impossible. Why not? Asked Nathan. It's a great idea. But it's freezing cold at the South Pole, and there are blizzards, and we could get lost. Then we'll go to outer space, said Nicky. Outer space is filled with beautiful red and orange planets. Woo! That's exciting. No, said Mother Rabbit. We're not going to outer space. We are going for a walk in the meadow. Look, the rain has stopped and the sun is coming out. Hooray! Cried all the rabbits. Nice idea from the mom, huh? They put on their raincoats and boots and headed outside. Yep. It sure is fun and beautiful too. Look up there. Let's see what they saw. What is it? Yes, it's a rainbow, explained Mother Rabbit. You see them sometimes right after it has rained. Then let's go to the rainbow, said Nicky. No, said Mother Rabbit. That's impossible. Maybe not, said Nicky. We could try. And that's just what they did. The end.